What is Green Dot Messenger and how to use it for chatting?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Green Dot Messenger. It's a modern instant messaging application that's garnering a lot of attention. We'll understand what it is and how you can use it for efficient and engaging communication. Strap in, and let's demystify Green Dot Messenger.
What is Green Dot Messenger?
Green Dot Messenger is an innovative, user-friendly instant messaging app that enables seamless communication. It's known for its clean design, easy-to-use interface, and robust functionality. Green Dot Messenger stands out for its high-quality, encrypted messaging and user privacy focus. Now, let's delve into how you can use it for chatting.
How to install Green Dot Messenger?
Before you can start chatting, you need to install Green Dot Messenger on your device. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Simply visit your device's App Store, search for Green Dot Messenger, and tap on Install. Once installed, you'll need to register your account.
How to register on Green Dot Messenger?
To register, open the app and select Create New Account. You'll need to provide your phone number, which the app will verify with a one-time password, OTP. Once verified, enter your name and, optionally, a profile picture. Congratulations, your account is now set up.
How to start a chat?
Starting a chat on Green Dot Messenger is a breeze. On the main screen, tap the New Chat button, usually indicated by a pen or plus icon. A list of your contacts who are also using the app will appear. Simply select the person you wish to chat with. If you're starting a group chat, you can select multiple contacts.
How to send messages?
Once you've started a chat, simply type your message into the message box at the bottom of the screen and hit Send. You can also send images, videos, and voice messages by selecting the appropriate icon within the chat window.
What about privacy and security?
Green Dot Messenger takes user privacy and security seriously. All your conversations are end-to-end encrypted, meaning only you and the person you're communicating with can read the messages. Rest assured, your chats remain confidential and secure. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting started with Green Dot Messenger. With this app, you're not only set for an easy chatting experience, but also assured of your privacy and security. Happy messaging! We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to bringing you more tech insights in our next session. Until then, stay safe and stay connected.